Hello, everyone, welcome back to Top Capable. Are you locked out of your iPhone because you forgot your iPhone passcode? Or your passcode has been tampered with by someone else, and you don't know it, so that you repeatedly enter the wrong passcode, then your iPhone becomes unavailable? When you repeatedly enter the wrong passcode, the message showing iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 minute, will appear on the screen. And this waiting time becomes longer as you enter the wrong password more and more times, until finally you will be asked to connect to iTunes. It's true that iTunes can help you solve the iPhone unavailable problem, but what if you don't have a computer? Don't worry. This video will show you how to fix the problem of iPhone unavailable without iTunes and computer. Let's get started. When the iPhone unavailable message appears on your iPhone, and you can't remember your password, the only way to unlock your iPhone is to reset it. Factory reset your iPhone will delete everything from your iPhone and remove your passcode. It is unavoidable. Apple has added some new features for devices upgraded to iOS 15.2 or above, including an Erase iPhone option. A locked iPhone can now be reset by the Erase iPhone option without iTunes and computer. In addition to the fact that the locked iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or above, using this method requires your Apple ID password, and the iPhone must have an available network connection. After you keep typing in the wrong passcode, an Erase iPhone option will appear at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on the Erase iPhone option. When you go to Erase All Contents and Settings page, tap Erase iPhone option again to confirm. Then, sign out of Apple ID using your Apple ID password. The process of resetting will begin automatically. Once your iPhone restarts with the Hello page, you will be able to follow on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone. And you can restore your data from a backup and set a new passcode. If you have created a backup before iPhone is locked, during the setup process, you can see the option to restore data from Mac, PC or iCloud on the Apps and Data page, and choose the appropriate option to retrieve lost data according to your situation. You can reset iPhone without iTunes and computer through Find My app. Using this method requires you to have extra iOS devices, either iPad or iPhone. And this method works only if your locked iPhone has the Find My feature enabled. Besides, your iPhone should have an internet connection. If you meet these conditions, then you can try this method to unlock your iPhone. First, open the Find My app on your other iOS device, such as an iPad or another iPhone. Sign in to Find My app with the same Apple account as your unavailable iPhone. Otherwise, you can't find the device you want to reset in the list. Then click Devices option at the bottom and select the iPhone you want to reset from the list. Scroll down the page and tap on the Erase this device option. Tap the Continue option. Then tap the Erase option on the top right corner of the page to perform a reset on the device. When this process is complete, you can set up your iPhone from scratch. You also can recover your deleted data from the backup. If you don't have extra iOS devices, you can log in to iCloud.com web from another phone. Then use the Find iPhone feature to reset iPhone without iTunes and computer. It works similar to Find My app. You will also need to meet some requirements to use this method. Your iPhone has turned on Find My iPhone in Settings. Network connection is enabled in your iPhone. And you know your Apple ID and password. If you meet these requirements, then follow the steps below to unlock your iPhone. First, go to iCloud.com on a browser. Log in with your Apple account credentials. Then select the Find iPhone icon on the home page. Click on All Devices at the top of the map and select the iPhone you want to unlock. In the small box, select the Erase iPhone option. In the next pop-up box, select Erase to confirm. If you encounter the problem of iPhone unavailable, and you don't have a computer to use iTunes, then try one of the methods in the video to fix it. Now choose a suitable method and try it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to unlock iPhone. Thanks for watching.